Good morning, Mr. Calder. You want to show us how you walk? Gee. Standing. What are you looking for? You're looking for something under there. Standing. You like books, don't you? You like books? Yay! Baby Zilla? No. No, Baby Zilla. It's good walking, my little buddy. I'll take that one. You don't want to play with that. Play with your toys. You've got that lovely little toy box there. Lovely little toy box. Do. Standing, mister. Come on. Stand up. Calder, say hello to Grandma. Say hello to Grandma. Yay. D. What a beautiful young man. The pediatrician said he was just beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, mister. I'll take that.
She said he was so beautiful, he could almost pass for a girl.
Yeah, I think that's a compliment. You'd be a supermodel, aren't you, mister? Standing. Whoopsie. Oh! Ouchie. Yeah, it's okay.
What happened, darling?
Well, he just plopped out on his bottom. Come on, mister. That's that thing. Sorry, I didn't try to put it into the wall.
No, I know.
Here he comes. Here comes Mr. Calder. You're such a good walker. Yay. Yay. What a beautiful man. Daddy. That's right. How many teeth? You've got 6 teeth now, or is it 7? They're not coming through at the same time, so they're a bit... Hello. Yay. Yes, my friend. I can't give you the camera, you don't know how to use it. You like your books, don't you? Yeah. What's that one? Timmy the Train. Timmy the Train. Yay. Would you like me to open it for you? Okay, I'll open it for you. Here you go. Let's put it over there. Yay. Good boy. This is a nice video, isn't it? Sunday morning with Calder. What a beautiful young man. Daddy? Oopsie. So that was the fall that he had yesterday. Out of there, down to there. Ouch. Thank you. Thank you, mister. Who's this? Toby the tractor. Oh, that's a big one, isn't it? That one's called Sleepy Animals. Sleepy Animals. Do you want to bring it to me, Mr. Calder? Mr. Calder. You're a good little man, aren't you? Here you go. Stand up, mister. Show us how you walk. Go down the stairs. Where are you going now? Do you want to show us how you go down the stairs? What's that? That sounds like a vacuum cleaner. Is that a vacuum? Yay! Is that a vacuum? Let's see. Okay, careful, careful. You know how to do this. It is indeed a vacuum cleaner. Look at the little smile on his face. Okay, Mr. Calder, do you come down? Mr. Calder, you know how to do it. That's right, that's a good boy. Yep, I'll come and just make sure you're okay. Good boy. Yep, come on down. Look down there. Mummy using a vacuum. Oh. Have you ever seen a happier look? Let me just close these doors. Put these on, mister. There you go. That's better. A little bit better. You want to come downstairs? Come on. Careful. Oh, you know how to do it. Would you like to go and play with the beanbag? Let's go play with the beanbag. Come on. Let's go, mister. Let's go. Come on. Let's go play with Mr. Beanbag. Look. Mr. Beanbag. Roar. Roar. Ready? Jump. Jump on Mr. Beanbag. Roar. Roar. Dada, that's right. You're Calder and I'm Dada. That's Mr. Bad Bike there, isn't it? Mr. Bad Bike. Rawr! Oh, we don't play with greasy bikes. Giggy. Rawr! No, 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 no. Play here. Rawr! Rawr! No, no, Mr. Calder, we don't play with the bike. It's too dirty. No, 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 no. Do. All right, Mr. Calder. I think that's probably enough for today, isn't it? This is our little study. Bike, golf clubs, beanbag, Mr. Calder. Mr. Calder, say goodbye to Grandma. Calder. Mister? Hello, my name's Calder. Okay, say goodbye, mister. Let's put this video straight on, shall we? Yay!